In this new release, we've got some exciting new features to speed up your scheduling workflow, gain more insight with enhanced dashboard metrics, and help you manage your equipment more efficiently. First up is the new Scheduling Assistant. Quickly view availability across all routes when scheduling or rescheduling visits for greater efficiency. Here's how it works. Ensure your route schedule is set up correctly, whether sequenced or time-based. If sequenced, easily add the days the crew is available to work. Days not included in the list are considered unavailable. If you're using time-based, simply set the available days and hours. Within the schedule, from the work ticket list, click the new star icon to launch the Scheduling Assistant. To quickly find available time slots, choose the Route Manager, the routes, the applicable date range, and approximately how many hours per day the job requires. Then search. The Scheduling Assistant immediately displays availability, including hours of capacity for sequenced routes and open time slots for time-based routes. Select an option and it displays on the right with other scheduled jobs. From here, you can rearrange the order of the job within a sequence or change the start and end times if time-based. To quickly reschedule an existing job, simply right-click a visit and select the Scheduling Assistant. Then change the date range and search for available options. You can also access the Scheduling Assistant from the Visit Details screen. And if you go to the Opportunity Work Tickets screen, you can add the Scheduling Assistant as a column to quickly schedule open work tickets. As you can see, scheduling and rescheduling just got a whole lot easier. Next, the dashboard has a new look and some helpful new features to help you stay informed and on top of your goals. Starting with the to-do list, now you can quickly view overdue items, items due today, or due within the next 30 days. From here, you can complete a task or issue, or view the details and change the due date, or add a note to the record. You can also create a new milestone directly from the dashboard. Simply associate it with an opportunity or work ticket. Next, if you've got appointments, you'll see the date and now also the scheduled time. Recent activity displays up to 10 items instead of 7 and includes links to company records. Next, the Customer Issues graph is now a KPI. You can easily customize the name and date range. Keep in mind the View Customer Issues Insight role-based permission must be enabled for your role before you can add the card to your dashboard. The dashboard modules have a new look and are now called metrics. You can easily create different types to suit your needs. The gauge metric looks similar to the style you're used to, but provides more detail. You'll see the goal along with the low and high ranges. The new progress bar is a great way to easily monitor your progress toward a goal without a range. And if you really want to simplify things, you can create a number-only metric. There's no goal or range displayed, just a number to track the metrics of an activity in real time. If a metric has been shared with you, you'll now see who shared it and when it was last updated. To create a new metric, simply select New from the metric menu. Then complete the details. The display type determines whether it's a number, gauge, or progress bar. Next, we've enhanced the equipment inspection feature to help you get better visibility into the condition and status of your assets. When a crew member completes an equipment inspection and indicates a critical component has failed, the equipment will automatically be marked as out of service. And an email notification will be sent to the appropriate personnel. Here's how it works. First, you can set specific equipment categories as critical. If a critical item fails during an inspection, the equipment is automatically marked as out of service. Within branch settings, you can designate an equipment manager who can then be added as a recipient for equipment notifications. Within notification settings, you can customize an equipment out of service email notification. If equipment inspection out of service is selected, the notification will be sent when an item is marked as out of service during an inspection, meaning a critical item has failed. There are also several trigger types based on an inspection score. Finally, we've added a role permission to allow specific roles the ability to manually mark equipment as out of service. When viewing equipment details, an item can be marked as out of service from the menu at the top right. As you can see, with these new features, you can speed up your scheduling workflow, gain more insight with enhanced dashboard metrics, and manage your equipment more efficiently. If you have any questions, we're always here to help. Thanks for using Aspire.